Hi everyone, so today I'm going to go through how we can connect our Flutter mobile application to our Firebase project. So I think you already have a brand new project here. This shouldn't exist here because we're going to add this later on. Right, so let's go to the Firebase here and create a project. I already created a project, so I'll move there. And you will find that there is a button written add app, right? So you have to add app. So next, and you're going to run this command here, right? And also, you have to run this command too. Right, so in order to deselect, you have to tap spacebar. Right, so you're going to copy the package name, which is written in the build.gradle in the app folder. Right. So tap next, continue to the console. So let's go to the project setting. I suppose that you are able to see the project you just now added here. If you cannot see, reload it by Control and R hotkey and see SDK instruction. Right. Next, tap click Groovy and copy this and paste it in the settings.gradle but not build.gradle. You cannot paste this in the build.gradle. You have to paste in the settings.gradle, right? So I am assuming that you already have a com.google.gms.google service here, right? But you cannot need to. You have to choose the newer version. If there is a 4.3 something and 4.4.2, you have to choose the newer version. The one you paste is usually newer version. So, right, you're gonna paste that. And also, like, it is telling us to paste like these things in the build.gradle in the app folder, but usually it already exists, so you don't need to do anything with it. Right. Next, continue the console. Right. So now you have to add fingerprint. So how can we add fingerprint? Ask ChatGPT. Right. So right. So you have to generate. I don't know how it's read, but okay. So there seems like here's a relative path, but not absolute path. So it may be difficult to be recognized. So we have to find .android folder and the debug.keystore, right? So copy the path and what you have to do is replace this path and paste it here. All right, so it will generate the key, and you have to add here. For the 256 one is same. Right. Right. right, so last thing you have to do is firestore database rule, right? So there's the rules which can control how users can interact with data. So it can set like only authenticated user can read, or only authenticated reader users can write. Even not authenticated user can read but not write. So yeah, so we can set something like this, and true means user is authenticated, and false is user is not authenticated. So if it's true, user can read write if user is authenticated. The false is volatile. So right, you have to make it here like this. Also, you have to change the minimal SDK version in the build.gradle in the app folder here. So here it needs to be 23, right? So this is all about it. So, but when you release the application, you have to change here, because you cannot use .example for the release, like for release package name, all right? Okay, so I think this is all about it. All right, have a good day. Thank you very much.